So para naman sa mga hindi pa fully KYC, kung i-click, most likely kung may ganito kayong option, sana ito rin yung maging way para malagpasan nyo na yung KYC process na yan, and maging transferable na yung mga Pi coins na naipon ninyo sa mainnet wallet ninyo, okay? Very important yung information na i-share ko sa inyo. Kahit pala fully KYC na tayo, or fully migrated na sa mainnet yung ating mga Pi account, may update ngayon sa Pi KYC option na dapat tayong mag-synchronize ng Pi account natin, okay? So ipi-play ko tong recording natin para makita niyo yung ibig kong sabihin, kasi as soon as possible dapat na natin tong i-click para kung ano man yung mga magiging update ng Pi network, lalong-lalo na kung merong second migration, talagang magiging updated yung account natin, okay? So earlier ito, 2:27 PM Manila time, Saturday. Makikita natin dito sa recording na meron na tayong 1,001.46 na Pi coins and counting. So yung recording is earlier, 2:27 PM Manila time, Saturday, June 21, 2025. Ito yung numbers natin sa unverified balance, transferable balance, and mainnet balance, okay? Pag clinic natin yung mainnet checklist, makikita nyo, migrated to mainnet yung account natin. So okay tayo dyan. Fully verified naman kasi and fully KYC na tayo. Okay, so bumalik tayo sa homepage ng Pi account natin, and then from the menu, i-click naman natin yung Pi browser. Okay, so kailangan lang natin mag-login using yung passphrase natin. Okay, so i-click natin dito yung KYC. Makikita natin dito sa KYC information natin, fully verified tayo, KYC passed, okay? And then validator din pala tayo guys ng Pi network. And then dito sa gitna, mano-notice ninyo, merong option to synchronize status on your mining app. Okay, so clinic natin yan, and after kong i-click, merong nakalagay na status sent, okay? So after nito, wala na akong ginawa. Ang ginagawa ko lang ngayon is to continue monitoring yung Pi account natin and regularly checking my emails, okay? So far, wala pa naman akong nare-receive na additional instructions, okay, from the Pi network app, okay? Now, paano ko nalaman yung information na yun? Ang nangyari kasi, nagbabasa tayo online, and napadaan ako dito sa isang article, okay? Pwede nyo i-search tong article na to, ilalagay ko na rin sa description ng video na to. Yung title nito is Pi Network rolls out new KYC synchronization feature ahead of Pi 2 Day. Okay, kasi yung Pi 2 Day, gaganapin to this coming June 28. Yun yung nabasa natin. And makikita niyo dito, parehas na parehas yung screenshot dun sa account ko. Okay? And salamat sa BaneCrypto.com for the source and inspiration ng video na to. And very important guys, a disclaimer statement for our crypto, bayanihan, Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.